Hello everybody. So we thought, like, we've got the serious training videos going on, we thought we'd try one from the shed. So I did one just before going to Wilton, looking forward to the start of the season, and now we're doing one having come back from Wilton, and I can honestly say it's probably one of the worst meetings I've ever had, due to various things, conditions, probably me not getting the settings right on the chassis, and was really low, but that's racing. So it's now Easter Sunday, so we only got back last night, in the shed this morning, stripped the kart completely. I've made it, I'm going to going up to Anderson's just to check that I haven't bent it when I was hitting the barrier a few times, which there will be a video probably accompanying this that Gary will put on. Yeah, so we just had a real downer. So we were going to call it sort of the good and the bad, and it was a bad weekend for us. Hence we've got everything stripped down, engines off, all the bits, taking it back to Leeds to get things checked over. But the good is we think we know why I didn't have it right, handling wise. So we're going to get it all sorted, get it built back up, and then go to Donington, which is the weekend in May, which is the 8th, 9th, 10th of May, and start again. Hopefully do a little bit better than what we did at Alton. I managed to finish the 3 races, but not in the positions where we were hoping to be. It was just terrible. So anyway, onwards and upwards. We'll get it all back together and do another time-lapse video of maybe putting it all back together, and then update when we get to Donington, or just before, from the shed. Bye.